Good day everyone, my name is Dantajan Robles and today we will be downloading the Arduino IDE software for us to program our microcontroller. So first, let's go to the Arduino CC, or let's search for the Arduino IDE. Then, let's click the software Arduino, or we can also have this, so both of them will redirect you to the same page, so that's okay. So let's choose our Windows application. So we'll be having the Windows 7 and newer. So let's click there and let's just click just download. So guys, let's just wait for now because it's still downloading. So after downloading the installer, we're just gonna click it and follow the instructions. Hello guys, so our installer for the Arduino software that we're gonna use has been finished. So let's double click it. So after you double click, you just allow this application to make changes to your device. Then, if you're so keen on the license agreement, you can read it or just click agree. Then we're gonna have to install the Arduino software, install the USB driver, and this is just a full package installer, so let's just click next and click install. So let's just wait for it to finish installing. So most of the software used in programming microcontrollers such as the Arduino, most of them are free because they are open source. Everyone could make improvements to it. So this would also help the development of the softwares. So it will just take a minute for it to finish installing. So just be patient.
You and I, we like fireworks and trees exploding in the sky. With you, I'm alive.
So it said here that would you like to install this device software? This is for the, so let's just install it. So install. And there you go. You will see a icon for the Arduino. So it's completed, I think. So let's close the installer and let's open the Arduino and let's run a program for our LED, built-in LED to blink.
It's like I'm leaving all my past and silhouettes upon the wall. With you,
So let's allow access.
it's like we're standing hand in
So
hand.
let's open a new program, a new.
So stop time right here.
So we have here. So this is my microcontroller. So let's connect it to the computer. So as you connect it to the computer, as you can see, the built-in LED is not blinking. Only the on LED. So let's run the example for the built-in LED to blink. So let's go to File, then Examples, Basics, and Blink. So it will just automatically present you a finished program. So let's edit the delay for after it turned on. So let's have a 250 milliseconds delay when it turns off and 100 milliseconds for the what is that? So 215 milliseconds when it turns on and 100 milliseconds when it turns off. So let's run it. So upload. But sometimes when it won't upload, so you go to the tools, then check the port if the port where the Arduino Uno is checked. So as you can see, mine here is checked. So that's why it has been uploaded easily. So that's it. So as you can see, the built-in LED is blinking. So that's it for the basic program for blinking and also how to install the program for Arduino, software program for Arduino. So again, my name is Santo Robles of BSEC3A and have a good day.